Alright guys, so this is all the stuff I use for journaling. I have some pens, pencils, notebooks, some washi tape, some sticky notes, and just stuff like that. So I'll show you kind of what I do. So this is kind of my YouTube journals. It's just like my YouTube day planner and then my YouTube journal. This is a new one that I got that has different types of pages. Don't know if you can see that very well. It has like this. For journaling, I have not done anything in it, but there are different pages. And then, okay guys, first I'll show you my YouTube one, which I just do like stuff like my YouTube videos that I want to do next, and I kind of decorate the top. I don't want to show you all the videos that will be coming here soon, but so I'll just like, this one I wrote YouTube videos. I did black and red because that's kind of YouTube's colors, and then I drew the YouTube play button. Sorry, I'm on my bed, so if it makes noise, it's just because it's creepy. So this one is like this. My mom got me this. I love anything that says like adventures or anything like that. This also has like a type of like old school bookend. So what I do is when I keep all my journals, no matter what, I can insert a photo of like my shelf of journals. But yeah, but this one has like a map on the inside, and then has pages like, this one has squares, which is the page I'm on, and then it's like lines, and it's like every other page, and then just dots, and this, and you can literally do whatever you want in these. I use a lot of planners because I like having the dates, so like that. So I use planners for a lot of those, but a lot of people would do like their school planning or something like that in a journal like this, which you can do, or you can get a planner, either way. But this one, I also like just doodling. Like, you don't just have to write, you can like draw whatever you want. And it doesn't matter if it's, only you have to like it. So like if I were going to draw, like, we'll draw with the pencil. Let's say we're drawing a paper airplane. Let's see, I haven't drawn a paper airplane, so. And honestly, no one cares if you copy their ideas. So if you're like, I don't know what to draw for September, no one cares. Like, you can take whoever ideas and do it yourself. But people do like paper airplanes. I don't know how they draw paper airplanes in these. It's like that, and then they'll draw like lines behind to say that it's flying. They'll sometimes do like a loop, just like that. That's actually not bad. But then I'll go over it with a Sharpie or something. Actually, I think I'm gonna go over it with this glittery, it's a gel pen. Just go over the outline. Oh, this is kind of thick. Forgot how thick this was. Just like that, and then the center, I think I would do different next time, but that's fine. And then I think I'm gonna use a more fine pen. Let's see if I can figure out which one's the smallest. I believe this one is. Yeah. And then we just do the lines, just to make them darker. And you can do the lines whatever color you want. And you can draw multiple or whatever, it doesn't matter. Say we're writing, if we were doing a what is it called? Like a calendar thing, you could draw a, or like if this was the first page, and then I wrote, let's do October, because I am going places in October. You can write, I think I'm just gonna write it up here.
because all these plus like the ones I have now. From Costco for I think $8. It was a set of like 24 or something.
And you can outline these in any color. It doesn't have to be black. I just like using black. And if you don't have lines, you can go like this or like this. And I'm going to turn it this way so that I can do this side. Like that. What do I want to do with the washi tape? Do I want to? Or I could do it down here. This washi tape has, oh man, paper on it so that it stays, or well, not paper, but what they put on, like double-sided tape, so that it stays sticky. Let's see if I can get it off. Okay. It likes to spin, apparently. And you can decorate both pages. I decided to do this one because this one's pretty thin and it's easier to do it on this one. Like that. And then you can use this part of the washi tape. I might use it later on this. It will not lay fully down with the washi tape on it. Then you can do like you can draw like leaves. I know I tried to attempt leaves earlier, but let's try just as simple. And you can draw however many you want. Just draw 3. And then I'm trying to think what else. It's in October. You could do like your school schedule or like places you need to go. But just whatever you want, and you can decorate it. Or you can write a quote. Here, let me think of a quote. It's a good fall quote. Let me see. Guys, I put my pencils in these because I like them, but here's the reds and like burgundies, so I think I'll stick with these. Let's see. Don't do pink. Alright, that is it for today's video. Let me know how you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.